Updating your payment information on your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Once signed in, locate the Payments and Subscriptions section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your payment settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, find and click on Payment Methods. This will display all the payment options currently linked to your account. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update. Click on Edit next to the payment method and enter the new information such as card number or expiration date. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation that your payment information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on your Google account.